Hey Matt, how's it looking?
Good morning. It's looking fairly bright for some this morning. John, Nina, very good morning to you. Morning to you as well. But whilst we have got the blue skies here in Norfolk to get the day underway, it is a chillier start out there for all of us. Temperatures in single figures at the moment right across the UK. And whilst we do have some sunshine to southern and eastern areas, it is going to be a day of blustery showers for the vast majority. Even if you don't start with the showers, there is a chance you could see one or two later. Here's where we've got the showers though.
Good morning. It is quite a chilly start this morning. Bright and sunny. We've got a day of sunshine and showers. It's breezy, but the temperature will remain on the cool side.
With a beautiful sunrise behind you.
Indeed, Nina. Very good morning to you both. Morning as well. What a start to the day is for some of you. This is the scene a short while ago in Torquay. Looks warm enough, doesn't it, with those sort of colours in the sky, but a pretty chilly start out there. And if I just show you how the temperatures today compare to normal, blue colours on the chart means temperatures well below normal. It's not just us, it's across much of northern and western Europe. We're undergoing a much chillier spell right now, and it's going to last a couple of days. I'll run this through now to take us through the rest of this week. Notice how the blue colours deepen a little bit further through tomorrow, extend more across Europe. But this weekend, if it's all too chilly for you, over the next couple of days, we return things back to where we should be for this stage in September, if not a little bit above. So it's a short blast of the proper feel of autumn before normal service is resumed.
And my goodness, it's gone cold already.
It has indeed, Nina. Very good morning to you. If you're about to step outdoors, any lengthy stay on a station platform or a bus stop, don't be fooled by the sunshine, because whilst we've got it here on the outskirts of Edinburgh where the sun is out, it does feel chilly. Feeling even chillier though where the showers are falling. Here's one such that have been pushing across Lancashire in the last half an hour, and that is on quite a blustery wind, which is just adding to that much fresher feel across the UK through today. Good morning, John. Nina, good morning to you as well. Bit of sunshine around for quite a few of you this morning, but as this Weather Watcher shows from Rotherham, there are going to be some showers around. They're going to develop more widely as we go through the day as well. And it's also feeling much fresher out there. If you're about to step out the door, temperatures are much lower than we've been used to over the last few days, certainly. As low as around 4 degrees in Inverness right now, and 0 to 2 degrees. So a cold start to Friday morning, but quite a few of you. But a bright day on Friday before temperatures rise this weekend. Back to you both.
I don't mind cold and bright, Matt. It's the drizzle we don't like.
Indeed.
Yeah, but look at those
well,
temperatures.
a bit less of that on Friday.
Thank you, because it'll all be frozen.
Come back to haunt you. Right.
It's looking gorgeous in London.
It is indeed. It is for quite a few, in fact, Nina, this morning. Very good morning to you, but do not be fooled by the sunshine if you've got it. It's pretty chilly out there right now, and I think this next weather watcher shot gives you a bit of a better flavour of what's to come through today here in northwest Wales. Yeah, you can see some blue skies there, but the rain on the window an indication we've got sunshine and showers to take us through the day for just about all parts of the UK. Good morning, John. Good morning, all. You may have the sunshine with you right now, but let me just show you this shot from Cheshire. Tells the story of what's really to come for many today. Plenty of showers set to develop. Already had some rumbles of thunder in Cheshire too so far.
It's looking clear behind you, but it's feeling cold.
It certainly is, Nina. And whilst some have still got blue skies overhead, very good morning to you, by the way, others, their showers have been coming thick and fast. Take a look at this shot in Stranraer just a short while ago. Lots of showers across western areas right now.
Good afternoon. You'll have noticed by now it is feeling a little fresher than it has. Beautiful start this morning to look at least. We had blue sky and we had some sunshine. The cloud has been bubbling up, however, and through this afternoon, although we've still got the sunshine, we're likely to see a few showers developing. It stays breezy and it's staying cool.
It wasn't too long ago the temperatures were reaching 27 degrees in Scotland and Northern Ireland. But what we've got at the moment is low pressure between us and Scandinavia and a really showery airstream and some strong winds as well. A northwesterly wind again today, but if you trace the winds back, they come all the way up from near the Arctic Circle, which is why it does feel pretty chilly out there, it has to be said. Some dramatic weather watcher pictures today. This one taken in Warwickshire, where we've had some heavy showers earlier on.
Have to ask you about the Tash. It has its own online presence, doesn't it?
Well, I always say in cycling, 2 handlebars are better than 1.
You can't get rid of it, can you? You've got to keep it. It's your signature.
It's taken me 35 years to grow this.
And it's a wonderful thing as well.
you.
Listen, we're very proud. Congratulations. We're just going to bring in Sally, our weather presenter.
Speaking of tashes.
Well, no. Actually, what I was going to say, Sally, is I don't know, does a tash go wrong in the weather like our hair does?
Very much so. My wife calls it a downward walrus. It just goes, it goes everywhere.
Help him,
Give
Sally.
that more thought when I do my forecasts in future.
Exactly, tash girls.
Bad tash with the frizzle weather. Well, listen, not too much rain around actually as we go through tomorrow. There might be a bit here or there, but it's the cold, isn't it? Did you feel it this morning?
Yes, I did.
It was just so chilly, and it's going to be cold again tomorrow, but weirdly, then it warms up, and as we go into next week, it could well get into the mid-20s. It's all over the place. Let's take a look. Hello again, and a very good evening to you. I hope you had a lovely Wednesday. Look at this beautiful creature. Looks totally unbothered by any slightly cooler weather that we had today, and we'll have tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, very similar to today. Few showers around, but it's looking like we'll have a lot less, longer, drier spells. And then from Friday onwards, fine and dry, and the temperatures gradually getting a little bit warmer.
Hi Sophie, a day of pretty dramatic clouds today, a day of sunshine and showers. Look at this big storm cloud working over the skyline of London. And we have had some thunder, some lightning, bit of hail mixed in with some of the showers. For example, here in parts of Staffordshire with a really hefty hailstorm.
And I even got the winter coat out today. That's all I have to say about that.
Yes, I'm sure some people would have been tempted to even put the heating on last night. It's quite chilly, wasn't it? And we've got more of this relatively cool air coming our way. A day of dramatic skies, though. This was one of the big thunderstorms working across the skylines of Greater London earlier. What a difference a day makes as well. 20 degrees yesterday. Today, temperatures have been 4 degrees lower and 4 degrees below the September average for the time of year.
But what today's announcement means for certain is that we now know for a fact that in around a fortnight's time we will definitely hear the very loud noises and see the huge plumes of steam here over the steelworks, which will mean that the final remaining blast furnace here in Port Talbot will be cooled and switched off. The end of an era and a devastating economic blow for this community.
Hello there. Things should get a little bit warmer over the weekend, but right now it's still cold out there. We've seen a lot of showers earlier on today, some dramatic weather watcher pictures. It took a while for the showers to push down into more southern counties of England, and here we saw the best of the sunshine.
And it's hard to believe the darker and chillier nights are fast approaching with this gorgeous sunset behind me. Join me for the full national forecast coming up in a couple of minutes.
Alex is in Brighton for us this evening, and that is a beautiful sunset, Alex.
Absolutely, Mary. Good evening. But we really are on the edge, as you can see, because there's a big shower cloud behind me. And there have been some showers around today, but not a great deal on the south coast. In fact, take a look at these pictures of Brighton Beach. A little early. In fact, I wish I had a cup of tea as well to keep my hands warm at the moment, because the temperature is absolutely dropping off. And that's going to be a sign of things to come as we head through. But all in all, a pretty good day here with some lovely spells of cool autumnal sunshine, I have to say. But as we head through the coming days, there will be a dip and then a rise back up. But let's take a look at this time last year in comparison to today, when temperatures were actually above average for the time of year, highs of 2021 across the southeast, but today they are below average up and down the country, and that does lead us into a rather chilly night to come, which we'll take a look at in just a second. But let's get a quick look at the air mass chart, and you can see how things are going to change as we head through the next few days. So we've got this cold plunge of air coming down from the north at the moment, and as we run the sequence into the weekend, it does start to pick back up, so those warmer colours start to reappear, warmer air coming up from the south, so temperatures will be back up to where they should be for this time of year. By the time we get to the weekend, it could be at around 20 degrees Celsius. So something to look forward to if you're not a fan of these colder conditions that we've got with us. But as I say, a chilly night is on the cards. Let's take a look at that right now. Well, as we head through the rest of this week, there will be a mix of sunshine and showers, certainly as we head through to tomorrow. But on Friday, high pressure kind of builds in, so we will see it turning back drier, brighter, and as I say, a little bit warmer as well. Well, that's the way it is looking here on the south coast at the moment. As I say, that rain is incoming, so I better get out of it. I don't have a mat with me. I took a chance, Mary, and I won.
Protect that suede jacket, Alex. Thank you.